Okay.
Hi guys, Luke here from Sabre Airsoft, and I'm here with
Marek.
I've forgot his name for a second then, here at Delta Armory. Some of you guys will know that I've had a bit of a history with Delta Armory products, but you'll also know that probably that the Freya in particular I really like. So, we're going to have a look at some of the new stuff that's coming out, in particular the Strybogs here.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about these.
Yes, so we want to introduce you new Strybog models with the stocks, of course. In 2026 you can get out of the box the gun with the stock. Right now we have two choices of stocks. Here's the UMP styles and another one, it's a minimalistic. And you can get both of this one in one package. Upper body is made by aluminum with CNC finished. The lower body is made by polymer, like a real firearms. We are using the forms of the Grand Power from real firearm. So this gun is one-to-one to real gun. Inside it's still V2 classical gearbox with V2 rotary hub-up chamber. It's easy to upgrade, easy to repair or something like that. Here's a semi-transparent magazine, up to 110 BBs inside. In the diamond grade version, it's the highest version, includes with Warhead Industries 35K brushless engine, which
tried and tested Warhead Industries, which we like to see. We like things that we know, right? So it's great that you're working with that.
Yes. And about the gears and includes in this gun, about the nozzle, cylinder head, piston head, everything is made by aluminum with CNC technology. And the second half of 2026, we want to introduce the GBBR Strybog.
I'm very excited to see the GBBR one.
Surprise!
And, I'm hoping I can get it a little bit early so I can have a look at it. But no promises, no promises. So the rotary hop unit, very tried and true. We like to see rotary hop units. What about the hop rubber itself out of the box? Let's start with the diamonds. Go top end.
Yes, of course.
So what hop rubber it comes with it? Because I know the Freya came with, was it the Trinity?
Berserker.
Say again?
Berserker. We call it Berserker.
Okay, yeah.
Includes it's a Berserker because Berserker it's up to 60, but the Trinity is up to 70.
Okay,
yes.
right. So it's
this is the difference.
Yeah, 60.
Here's the 60. Yes, it's about 400 FPS or 1.4, 1.5 joules.
Yeah, so it's perfect for this one then because that's better suited for indoors where you're going to be using lighter weight. It's going to be short range.
Yes, sure. It's good to see QB.
And that's a 20mm rail on the back there as well. So
yes, Picantini, yes, of course.
Stick it on there.
Yes.
That's brilliant to hear.
And here's a little battery box.
And the little batch storage is up there, which is accessed by removing the screw at the back.
Yes, of course.
Cool. Not a fan of screws. Everyone knows I'm not a fan of screws in the back, but I mean, it's not going to fall out. So upside. Cool. And then it's coming, so that's the top end version, and then is this the lowest one?
Yes, not the lowest. This is the middle one.
Okay, the middle one.
It's still fully upgraded with Eagle processority inside, but without the Warhead Industries brushless engine inside.
And because it's all V2 gearbox as well, if people wanted to drop in, say like a pairing or something like that, they could easily do it. And I know they can because I've done it. I am particularly a fan of, and these are the new ones, right?
Yes.
These here are the new skeletonized ones.
Yes, of course. We made a new skeleton, like a cyberpunk mold. Yes, here's a skeleton series. This one, it's a Freya A25. It's a new model with a hexagon handguard.
Hexagon is bestagon. We love hexagons.
Yes,
hexagon,
yes. It's like futuristical. Yeah. And here's some skeleton models. It's classical A21, like before, like you know before, and new A25. Inside, we have a big surprise to customers of every Freya models, not even skeleton series, of every Freya models. Out of the box, you can get Freya with Golem gearbox. Inside, it's a completely reinforced, made by zinc, not aluminum, but zinc. It's completely reinforced with quick release spring system, and we can choose another series of Eagle ETU inside. it's not optical, it's optical magnetical with Bluetooth.
Yes,
of course.
And in fact, guys, we can actually go check those out because they have them on display just over there.
Yep.
I did see those, so we'll check those out in more detail. I have a question though. If I wanted to get this handguard here, so this one here, but in gold, can I?
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
you can.
Say
with PDV stocks, with Eagle stocks.
I do like the Eagle stocks. I'm quite a fan of
Yep.
those. But if I say I bought this one in red, and then I went, oh, you know what? I want the gold furniture. Could I purchase the gold furniture separately?
Yes, of course.
Brilliant. We love customization. We love it. Absolutely love it. And more importantly, just to go back to what you were saying about the gearbox.
Yes.
All of the new Freyas that you purchase will have the new gearbox.
Yes, it's a new Gen 3. This is the Freya Gen 2, but this one is Freya Gen 3. You can get Golem gearbox, brushless engine inside, out of the box.
Yeah.
And of course, the new Eagle processor unit inside with Bluetooth technology, Bluetooth connection.
Which is absolutely fantastic.
Yes.
Well, let's have a quick look at the gearbox here. Just to point out some of the things that I noticed the other day when I was looking at this. Number one, radius corners to stop it cracking. That's brilliant. I'd love to see that. But this AOE window here, can you explain a bit more about that?
I'm not sure.
I can explain it then.
Yes,
I'll explain it.
Okay.
So,
yes.
anyone who's ever done any tech work will know more than likely about angle of engagement, AOE. And basically what this allows you to do is put the gearbox together and check the AOE whilst it's still together, which is a really, really handy thing to be able to do. I might end up getting a couple of these just for myself to have a play with, just the gearbox.
Yes. If you remember the older one, the black ones, we rebranded as a Guerrilla Tactical, and here's a new model. The black ones, the old ones, cannot be sale anymore. So this is the new generation Eagle BBs. It's a cheaper one, but still made in Taiwan. It's a better precision, better quality, but still in this price is the old one, like the black ones, if you know it.
Yeah.
It's not a premium product like the diamond grade, but it's still in the very similar quality, but it's a cheaper one.
So I know a particular local retailer to me, Dragonfire Airsoft. He absolutely loves these. He buys them in huge amounts, absolutely huge amounts, and they're quite popular and used widely around my area. I have used these guys. They don't leave crap in your barrel. They're good. These ones are good.
A lot of good feedbacks from our customers.
I am a HBA user myself. I run around with the Wolverine MTW. That's my daily driver. But any kind of new HBA out of the box, I always welcome, especially if it's at a much lower price range, because we all know MTWs, as good as they are very expensive. So, what sort of price range are we looking at here? Have we got anything for that yet? Or
so this one, Freya, with Pulsar from Gate, Pulsar D2. It's around 800 euros. But this one, it's a Pulsar H. It's a single solenoid. This is the double solenoid. This is the single solenoid. It's around 650 euros. But from the 2026 year, we are introduced just the Pulsar D2 because we have some issues from Pulsar H, the single solenoid engine. Our technicals are some issues, and our customers some issues. And we are here so hurt our customers.
I think the really important thing to highlight there, though, is that you've recognised there was a problem. You're willing to even admit publicly there was a problem, and you're doing something about it. So that means you're listening as a company, which is great to hear. I like companies who listen to the users and correct things. Double solenoid, though.
Yes, of course.
If memory serves, with a double solenoid, you can turn that into a DMR very easily.
Yes.
I like double solenoids. I really do like them.
Eagle series. Here's the carbon one with the polymer body, but imitation of carbon. There's olive tan and the carbon one as well. Its price is around 160 euros. All of this,
but great entry price as well.
But the gun is automatically includes the Eagle ETU processor unit inside, of course. Out of the box.
Even though it's still very cheap, it still has an ETU.
Yes.
We love to hear it. Awesome. And these are, if memory says, they're water dipped, so it's where you got the
yes.
Cool. Awesome.
As for beginners, it's a little bit lower price. Here it is some carbon model. yes, but without the Eagle ETU inside unit. Includes like a combo pack, includes a battery and charger inside, out of the box, as a present for us. And this price is around 120 to 140 euros.
So because it comes with the battery and charger,
Yes, of course.
that makes it really, really
Yes,
good for people.
it's
who
our
want to buy
combo
their
pack.
first ever airsoft gun.
Yes, yes, of course.
And it being carbon fibre, it looks cool.
Yep.
And it'd also probably be quite good for rentals as well. So for sites who want to buy in rentals cheap, they're still
Yep.
reliable, they should make a great option for them.
Yes.
Brilliant, cool. What's this Pro Arms here? What's
Yes.
this?
As well, we have a collaboration with Pro Arms from Czech Republic, and here's our models, the par 10 up to par 16. The numbers, it's mean the length of the handguard. Here's the 10 inch up to 16 inch. The gun as well is made by aluminium with not CNC finished, but it's block of aluminium with CNC technology and process, all of the process.
Okay,
This
yeah.
gun looks like a real gun. It's a one-to-one, like a real gun, MK3.
So I'm not familiar with Pro Arms, but just looking at the design of this,
Yep.
that's got a good weight to it. So if you like a heavy replica, this
Yes,
is
yes,
a
yes.
good option. And the controls as well, it's not going to work, is it? There we go. Controls, yeah. Pretty standard AR-15 pattern
Yes.
controls. That just needs to be tightened up a little bit
Yep.
there. Snappy, very, very easy to know where your selector is as well. I like that. I really like that. And just have a little sneak. And we've got your usual rotary hop unit in there
Yes,
as well.
of course.
Which is great. How much are these going to be then?
Around 500 euros. But this is out of the box, the fully upgraded gun.
Fully upgraded?
Fully upgraded. All of this gun, inside or outside, it's made by aluminium with CNC.
They do feel really, really solid.
Yes.
Awesome. The troubles that I had with the old ones.
Yes, of course. We heard a lot of feedbacks, sometimes good, sometimes bad.
Yeah.
So we are able and we are ready and we are here
Yeah.
to fix it, of course. We are here to listen our customers. So we are fixed it. Here's the second generation. The design is made by ourselves.
Yeah, the grip is a lot nicer. It's no longer triggering tryptophobia.
Yep. Yes.
And it is a good feel. It does feel it's great size to it as well.
Yes. We have 6 different slides.
6
And-
different slides.
Yes, and 3 different colors. So the problem, I bring the old one and I bring the new one. If you see the difference, this one is old one. If you see this one, the stair, a little
Yeah.
stair, and this is the issue for the gas.
Yeah. So it's the routers
Yes.
have been updated.
Yes. And this on your left side is a
Yeah.
super flat. This is the new
Yeah,
one.
whereas that one's scalloped
Yes.
and scooped.
Yes, of
and-
course.
So it's going to be a much better seal against
Yes.
the nozzle.
And these guns, the second generation is able to one fill of gas shoot 5 magazines of BBs.
5 magazines
Yes.
with one fill.
Yes, with
You
one
know I'm
fill.
going to put that to the test,
Yes.
right? I am going to put that to the test.
Yeah.
But the slide designs, let's have a chat about those, because this is more like your classic ported Glock slide.
Yes.
And they're aluminium
Yes.
slides, so they're going to hold up and be quite durable. Fiber optic sights.
6.
Yeah, this is the slide that a lot of people will probably be familiar with.
Yes, like
that's,
hexagon.
the old design, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's tried and true. If you want something a bit less showy, that's the one you go for. But this one with the full porting and everything like that.
Yes.
on there,
I love
that's-
this one.
Yeah, I was going to say I'd call that a competition
Yes.
shooter. I would actually love to shoot the real one.
Yeah, of course.
Can I take the slide off?
Yes?
Cool.
No problem.
Let's. I just want to. Helps if I rack it first. There we go.
Yep.
So, the original Glocks, they had an issue to do with the blowback housing.
Yeah, yes.
And all of that's gone now.
Yes.
That's what we love
Everything
to
is
hear.
gone.
So, guys, there you go. That's it for the Glocks, and I think with Delta Armory as well. Oh. There we go. It wouldn't be a video. It wouldn't be one of my videos if I don't awkwardly try to put a slide back on. There we go. thank you so much for
Thanks
taking
so much.
the time to talk to me, and I'm hoping now that we've got direct contact as well,
I hope
if there's
so.
any issues, I can reach out to you guys and find out firsthand what's going on and what you're doing to fix it.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. I look forward to working with you guys in the future.
Thanks so
you.
much.